In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Clickup. Quick guide. If you've ever wished your team conversations lived right next to your tasks, timelines, and files, Clickup's chat capabilities make that possible. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to turn on the chat feature in your workspace, open a task, and send clear contextual messages with mentions, AI assistance, and a little personality. I'll keep things simple, practical, and focused on what you need to do, step by step. Start by logging in to your Clickup account. Once you're in, you're ready to set up chat for your workspace. Look to the top left corner of your screen for your workspace icon. This could be your workspace logo or avatar. Click that to open the workspace menu. From here, choose Apps. This takes you to the area where you can enable or disable built-in features for your workspace. When the Apps page opens, a search bar will appear. Click into the search bar and type Chat. You should see the chat option show up in the results. If it doesn't appear immediately, scroll through the available apps until you find it. When you locate chat, look for the toggle or button that turns it on. If the button isn't already enabled, click it to activate chat for your workspace. You might see a confirmation indicator or a subtle animation confirming it's on. That's all you need to do to get chat capabilities running. Once it's enabled, you can close the apps page and return to your main workspace view. Now that chat is active, you can start communicating right where work happens. Head to a task you want to discuss. Open your desired task from your list or board. Pick one that's relevant to the conversation you want to start. Inside the task, look for the message or comment area at the bottom. This is your space to type updates, ask questions, and keep the team aligned without leaving the task. Click into the message field and start typing your note. Keep it clear and action-oriented so teammates know exactly what you need. If you want to bring someone's attention to the message, type the @ symbol and then begin typing their name. As you type, a list of matching teammates will pop up. Click the right person to insert the mention. This ensures they're notified and can respond quickly, even if they weren't already following the task. Mentions are especially helpful for assigning responsibility, clarifying ownership, or requesting a quick check before a deadline. If you prefer help crafting your message, you can use AI to draft it for you. Look for the AI prompt option near the message box. Choose it, and let the assistant generate a first pass. This is useful when you need a concise summary, a more professional tone, or a quick start on a longer update. Read what AI proposes. Make any edits to ensure it reflects your intent and context, and then send. It saves time while keeping your communication crisp and on point. You can also add a little warmth or clarity by inserting an emoji. Click the emoji picker near the message field and choose one that fits your tone. Maybe a grin to celebrate progress, or a check mark to confirm a completed step. Emojis can soften direct instructions, show appreciation, or highlight status without extra words. Just keep them purposeful so your message stays clear and professional. When your message is ready, send it. Your note will appear in the task's conversation thread, giving your team one place to see context, decisions, and follow-ups tied directly to the work. If you need to exit the task after sending your message, simply close the task window or navigate back to your list or board view. Everything you wrote is saved in the thread, so you can pick up right where you left off later. A few quick best practices will help you get even more value from this setup. Keep messages brief but specific. Reference what changed, what you need, and by when. Use mentions sparingly, but intentionally, so the right people are notified without overwhelming the entire team. If you're using AI to help draft, always do a quick review. Your voice and context matter, and a 10-second edit can prevent confusion. And don't forget that tone counts. A short emoji or a friendly sign-off can make collaboration feel faster and more human. If you ever find the chat option missing from tasks or features not appearing as expected, revisit the apps page to confirm chat is still enabled. In some workspaces, certain permissions are managed by an admin. So if you don't see the toggle or can't activate it, a workspace owner may need to switch it on for you. Once it's enabled, you won't need to repeat that step again unless the setting changes. That's the whole flow. Log in, open your workspace menu, go to apps, find and enable chat, then open a task, type your message, add mentions as needed, optionally use AI to help compose, sprinkle in an emoji for tone, and close the window when you're finished. With this setup, your conversations stay connected to the work itself, which means fewer lost threads, faster decisions, and a clearer record of who said what and when. All done then. If this quick guide helped you get chatting in ClickUp with confidence, you're already on your way to tighter, more transparent collaboration right inside your projects.